Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating a new Bandlab project and adding an audio track. Choose mono for a focused radio tone or stereo if you need width. Next, set your input level so peaks sit around -6 to -3 dB. This prevents clipping and leaves headroom for processing. Once armed, record a short test phrase or import your vocal. You want a clean, dry take. Make sure monitoring is sensible, so you don't introduce latency or reverb during capture. Now you sculpt tone. Insert Bandlab EQ and set a high pass around 80 to 120 Hz to remove low rumble that muddies radio voices. Boost a narrow band between 1 and 4 kHz to bring intelligibility forward, while trimming 200 to 400 Hz to reduce boxiness. Once EQ'd, add compression with a 3:1:6:1 ratio, fast attack and medium release. This evens dynamics so the voice sounds consistent. After compression, check gain staging. Make sure peaks still sit below 0 dB. Finish by adding character. Insert a saturation or tape emulator plug-in lightly to add harmonics that emulate vintage radio hardware. This makes the voice feel richer. If you want a classic telephone or AM sound, use a narrowband EQ or notch filter to limit bandwidth around 300 to 3400 Hz, tweak to taste. Once satisfied, master the track and export with a ceiling at about -1 to -0.5 dB. If it sounds thin, reduce high pass or dial back aggressive filtering. If distorted, lower input or reduce saturation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.